Some habits look silly, but psychology says they secretly improve your life. Here are 6 funny habits that make you calmer, stronger, and happier. 1. Talking to yourself. It looks strange, but it clears your thoughts, sharpens decisions, and reduces stress. Speaking out loud helps your brain organize ideas faster, like having a free personal coach. 2. Cleaning when you're angry. Anger gives you extra energy. Using it to clean or organize your space helps you calm down faster and creates a fresh environment at the same time. 3. Laughing at your mistakes. Instead of hiding your errors, laugh at them. It reduces anxiety, lowers shame, and boosts creativity. When mistakes feel lighter, they stop controlling your mood. 4. Setting alarms for small tasks. It feels robotic, but it helps prevent procrastination. Alarms for drinking water, stretching, or short breaks keep your mind disciplined without relying on willpower. 5. Singing in the shower. It increases serotonin, relaxes your nervous system, and boosts confidence. The echo in the bathroom makes your brain feel safe, raising your mood naturally. 6. Pretending you're in a documentary. Imagine a narrator describing your actions. It improves posture, confidence, and focus. Seeing yourself as the main character makes you act with more purpose. Funny habits, big impact. Sometimes the weirdest tricks work the best. If you agree, comment funny but true.